Can you please tell me the time? Can you please tell me the time? Tan pri, ou ka bam ti le? Tan pri, ou ka bam ti le? Do you mind helping my mom? Do you mind helping my mom? Sa ap deranj yo pou ede mamam? Sa ap deranj yo pou ede mamam? Do you think you could help me? Do you think you could help me? Ou panse ou tap ka edem? Ou panse ou tap ka edem? Do you think it would be possible to take a picture? Do you think it would be possible to take a picture? Ou panse il tap posib pou fè yon photo? Ou panse il tap posib pou fè yon photo? Would it be possible for you to visit him? Would it be possible for you to visit him? Li tap posib pou vizitel? Li tap posib pou vizitel? Would there be any possibility of helping me? Would there be any possibility of helping me? Eske tap gen posibilite pou edem? Eske tap gen posibilite pou edem? Would you be kind enough to call your sister for me? Would you be kind enough to call your sister for me? Esko tap janti ase pou rele syo la pou mwen? Esko tap janti ase pou rele syo la pou mwen? Would you mind telling me the time, please? Would you mind telling me the time, please? Tan pri, sa ap deranj yo pou bam yon ti le? Tan pri, sa ap deranj yo pou bam yon ti le? Could you answer the phone for me, please? Could you answer the phone for me, please? Tan pri, ou ka repon telefon nan pou mwen? Tan pri, ou ka repon telefon nan pou mwen? Could you possibly lend me some money? Could you possibly lend me some money? Eske il ta posib pou prete myon ti kob? Eske il ta posib pou prete myon ti kob? I'd appreciate it if you could come with me. I'd appreciate it if you could come with me. M'tap apresyel si ou ta ka vini avem. M'tap apresyel si ou ta ka vini avem. Could I ask you to do me a favor? Could I ask you to do me a favor? M'kamando pou fèm yon fave? M'kamando pou fèm yon fave? You couldn't come alone, could you? You couldn't come alone, could you? Ou patap ka vini pou kontou? Ou tap kapab? Ou patap ka vini pou kontou? Ou tap kapab? Can you give me the book? Can you give me the book? Ou kabam liv la? Ou kabam liv la? Could you please take off your raincoat? Could you please take off your raincoat? Tan pri, ou ka retire pati yo la? Tan pri, ou ka retire pati yo la? Could you please take me to the dentist? Could you please take me to the dentist? Tan pri, ou ka menem kay dentist la? Tan pri, ou ka menem kay dentist la? Would you mind opening the window for me, please? Would you mind opening the window for me, please? Tan pri, sa ap deranj yo pou ouvri fenet la pou mwen? Tan pri, sa ap deranj yo pou ouvri fenet la pou mwen? Would you be kind enough to repair my computer? Would you be kind enough to repair my computer? Esko tap janti ase pou ranger ordinatem lan? Esko tap janti ase pou ranger ordinatem lan? Do you think you could take me to the supermarket? Do you think you could take me to the supermarket? Ou panse ou tap kamenem nan supermarket la? Ou panse ou tap kamenem nan supermarket la? Could I ask you to take me home? Could I ask you to take me home? M'kamando pou menem lakay? M'kamando pou menem lakay? Can you tell me what happened? Can you tell me what happened? Ou ka di m sa ki te pase? Ou ka di m sa ki te pase? Would you come to my birthday party? Would you come to my birthday party? Ou tap vin nan fèt aniversem lan? Ou tap vin nan fèt aniversem lan? Would it be possible for you to come here at 8 a.m.? Would it be possible for you to come here at 8 a.m.? Li ta posib pou vin isit la a 8 an matin? Li ta posib pou vin isit la a 8 an matin? Sure, I'd be glad to. Sure, I'd be glad to. Certainement, m'tap kontan. Certainement, m'tap kontan. I'd be happy to. I'd be happy to. T'ap bien content. T'ap bien content. Sure, just a moment. Sure, just a moment. Certainement. T'en prie, tan yon ti moment. Certainement. Tant pis, tan yon ti moment. No problem. No problem. Pas gen problème. Pas gen problème. Of course, certainement. Of course, certainement. Certainly, certainement. Certainly, certainement. All right, en forme. All right, en forme. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. M'désolé, m'pap capable. M'désolé, m'pap capable. I'm sorry, but. I'm sorry, but. M'désolé, mais. M'désolé, mais. I'd love to, but. I'd love to, but. T'as bien aimé ça, mais. T'as bien aimé ça, mais. Sorry to say that. Sorry to say that. Désolé pour me dire ça. Désolé pour me dire ça. It sounds great, but. It sounds great, but. Intéressant, mais. Intéressant, mais. Can I have your number? Can I have your number? Gage numéro? Gage numéro? Shall I call you up later? Shall I call you up later? M'dwe rele ou pita? M'dwe rele ou pita? Would you like me to send you my book? Would you like me to send you my book? Ou ta reme m'voye liv mwen pou? Ou ta reme m'voye liv mwen pou? Would you like a drink? Would you like a drink? Ou vle yon bwe? Ou vle yon bwe? Do you want me to have chocolate? Do you want me to have chocolate? Ou vle manje chocolat? Ou vle manje chocolat? Do you want some coffee? Do you want some coffee? Ou vle café? Ou vle café? Let me shake it for you. Let me shake it for you. Kitem sou kel pou. Kitem sou kel pou. I can call the doctor if you'd like. I can call the doctor if you'd like. M'karele doktera si ou vle. M'karele doktera si ou vle. I'd be happy to help you. I'd be happy to help you. M'ta bien content ede ou. M'ta bien content ede ou. May I offer you a cup of tea? May I offer you a cup of tea? M'ka ofri yon taste? M'ka ofri yon taste? I will do it now if you'd like. I will do it now if you'd like. M'bral fel kounya si ou vle. M'bral fel kounya si ou vle. Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? Ou vle yon bagay pou bwe? Ou vle yon bagay pou bwe? Would you like me to open the door? Would you like me to open the door? Esko ta remem ouvri pot la? Esko ta remem ouvri pot la? Can I help you? Can I help you? M'ka ede ou? M'ka ede ou? Can I give you a hand? Can I give you a hand? M'ka bo yon time? M'ka bo yon time? Let me help you. Let me help you. Ban mede ou. Ban mede ou. Would you like me to answer the phone? Would you like me to answer the phone? Ou ta reme m'repon telefon nan? Ou ta reme m'repon telefon nan? Do you want some more tea? Do you want some more tea? Ou vle plis te? Ou vle plis te? Do you want me to turn down the TV? Do you want me to turn down the TV? Ou vle m'bese tele ya? Ou vle m'bese tele ya? I'd be happy to take you to the airport. I'd be happy to take you to the airport. M'ta bien content menon nan airport la. M'ta bien content menon nan airport la. May I offer you a cup of coffee? May I offer you a cup of coffee? M'ka ofri yon tas kafe? M'ka ofri yon tas kafe? Yes, please. Yes, please. Oui, tant pis. Oui, tant pis. Yes, I'd love to. Yes, I'd love to. Oui, m'ta bien aimé ça. Oui, m'ta bien aimé ça. Yes, that would be great. Yes, that would be great. Oui, ça t'a bien intéressant. Oui, ça t'a bien intéressant. Yes, please, that would be lovely. Yes, please, that would be lovely. Oui, tant pis, ça t'a bien aimable. Oui, tant pis, ça t'a bien aimable. Yes, if you wouldn't mind. Yes, if you wouldn't mind. Oui, si ça pas dérange ou. Oui, si ça pas dérange ou. That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. M'trouve très gentil. M'trouve très gentil. That sounds nice. That sounds nice. Intéressant. Intéressant. Thank you. I'd like to. Thank you. I'd like to. Merci. M'ta bien aimé ça. Merci. M'ta bien aimé ça. No thanks. No thanks. No merci. No merci. It's okay. I can do it myself. It's okay. I can do it myself. En forme. M'ka fel pou kont mwen. En forme. M'ka fel pou kont mwen. Thank you for your kindness, but I can do it myself. Thank you for your kindness, but I can do it myself. Merci pou gentillesse ou, men mwen ka fel pou kont mwen. Merci pou gentillesse ou, men mwen ka fel pou kont mwen. Don't worry, I can do it. Don't worry, I can do it. Pa inquiété ou, m'ka fel. Pa inquiété ou, m'ka fel. I appreciate that, but I can do it myself. I appreciate that, but I can do it myself. M'apprécier ça, men mwen ka fel pou kont mwen. M'apprécier ça, men mwen ka fel pou kont mwen.